a little beyond that. From your childhood, when you first time started riding a bicycle, right? Can anyone remember, or you might be seeing in any of your neighbors or at your home itself, that the children who start riding the bicycle, right? Does the child ride the bicycle in one go?
No.
No. Can anybody tell me the process of it, or can anybody share their experience with me? Like, if you remember any experience.
I remember I was a very bad person at learning how to ride the bicycle. My brothers were younger. It was a time, I'm talking, Kashni ma'am, when we could rent out the bicycle for a day and then learn. So my brothers did it in one go. And for me, this new cycle was specially bought. And then whole of the colony knew that Soni Saab's daughter is learning how to ride a bike, because Raminder Kaur kept on shouting, please हट जाओ अंकल, मुझे साइकिल चलानी नहीं आती. And as soon as I realized that my father has left the cycle and he's not holding it out, automatically I fell down. So that is, I learned it with, like, after a month or so, and it was a very bad experience for others. For me, it was very fun.
Right. So same must have happened with us also. Even I would like to share my experience as well. I don't remember the exact age, but maybe I was around 10, 12 years of my age. So earlier we used to have the side pedals also in the bicycle. So when I started learning, I asked my parents, like, I don't need the supporters now. And like, since childhood, I was bold enough to go on my own. I didn't want any, buddy to holding me from behind. So I thought that I would be going on my own. And behind my house, there was a lane. I started going there, and just the moment I started cycling, I fell down, and the front tooth, it broke off. Right? Not literally, but somewhat it started. Yeah, a part of it. So of course I went home and told my mother, and she said that this was supposed to happen. I cried a lot because I was a child then, right? So, but the thing, the learning I came, the mother she gave me was that even if you fall, you have to try again. Because the first thing when we fall, we feel like is, I don't want to do it again. Be it cycling, be it, learning just to ride Papa stand, baby sleep, or any other thing at the age of 3 or 4. Or if we talk about, if a child starts walking, the moment he stands up, he falls. He holds the things and he stumbles and falls, right? But we encourage the child by saying, it's okay, get up, it happens, doesn't matter, right? So this is the learning that we're getting since our childhood, right? And today we are going to talk about the same. So can everybody see the picture on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Anybody from that side? What would you like to say about the picture? What can you see or you imagine about the picture? The prince or the king?
King is scared of fire.
Scared of fire. Okay, good observation. Anybody else from this side? Yes, ma'am.
The king is thinking about something.
Very good. The king is sitting in a position where he feels like thinking of something. Maybe he is thinking of his childhood days, or maybe he is thinking about his future, right?
He might thinking of his past.
He might be.
His mind is full of revenge.
Exactly. His mind could be full of revenge that the spider must have, bitten him, and he wants to take the revenge.
He
I would
seems
also.
to be very sad.
He seems to be very sad. Well done.
He's also having his sword beside him.
He is also having a sword beside him, which means
also, ma'am.
there's a spider also hanging from the wall.
Yeah.
Right? Well done. Very good observation, everybody. Now, as you all said, you could get to know with the crown on his head that he is a king. And if he is a king, that we believe that he must be powerful also. He must be having all sorts of powers. The soldiers, the fellow members beside him, the ministers also, right? And somebody said that he's feeling a little sad and despair, right? He is feeling sad and despair, but let us know further.
Easy lies the head that wears the crown.
Very good. Well done. Clap for her. Right? So, since he is a king, so he must be having many responsibilities over him, right? And undergoing those responsibilities, he is facing a bit of challenge. So let's see further. I have distributed the sheets to some of you people. Today we are going to learn about the poem. Before that, what is the date today, everybody? June 6, 2025. Subject is English. And the topic that we are going to do today is a poem which says, try again. To which I have already initiated you with a beautiful example of riding a bicycle, or it could be driving a car, or any other possible thing which we are taking the initial step to. Right? So you people, since you have not got the books from the market, I have already got the photocopies to you people. Right? I have the poem on my screen as well. So those who don't have the photocopies, they would be reading from this side. This poem is by Eliza Cook. So Eliza Cook is a poetess who's more devoted towards, the general public, and who's more interested in talking about the child, the domestic things that we are facing in today's world. And this poem is basically about the challenges faced by the king, the perseverance that he used. Where did he learn it from? We'll get to know soon. So King Bruce of Scotland flung himself down in a lonely mood to think. 'Tis true he was monarch and wore a crown, but his heart was beginning to sing. I have already given you the word meanings, right? The word fling is the second form of verb, right?
Yeah.
And what is the first form of verb?
Fling.
Fling, correct, absolutely. Fling is the first form of verb, and the second form of fling is flung, right? In a lonely mood to think. What do you mean by the word lonely? You must have heard it before. Alone, exactly. So we could see in the picture that the king was sitting alone.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Right? And like you people observed and said that the king was feeling a little sad and despaired and disheartened. Right? So he is the king of Scotland. And what is his name? King Bruce. Where is he from? Scotland. So he made him sit down by himself in a lonely mood to think. He is willing to think. He doesn't want to communicate with anyone. He is in a mood to just think and analyze and ponder upon something. What? Let's see. This word PIS. This is nothing but it is. It is. It is true he was a monarch. Monarch is nothing but a king, right? And he wore a crown, which means he had major responsibilities, right? But his heart was beginning to sing. Why was his heart beginning to sing? This shows that he was feeling sad, despair, hopeless about something. Nervous, of course. He was feeling nervous of something. For he had been trying to do a great deed to make his people glad. He had tried and tried but couldn't succeed. So he became quite sad. Now we have got the reason. He wants to do something big and important for the people of his community, of his kingdom. But he is unable to do that. Right? Which means we can conclude that he is failing. And which is why we believe that he is sad and despair, disheartened, hopeless, right? And moreover, he is not having the kind of ministers to motivate him. We can think of it, right? He flung himself down in low despair, as grieved as man could be, and after a while he pondered there. I'll give it up, all up, said he. The first thing, the moment we fail in any step, right, the first thing that comes to our mind is let's give up. Let's move on to something else now. For example, I'm looking forward towards my career, right? I want to be a teacher. And the first day of my school, it was ridiculous. Now I would be saying I won't be going to the school. let me think of something else. I'll do business with my parents, right? Or I'll choose some other thing. Or if I go to any dance class and I'm not able to do the dance steps, I would again believe and say that, Mama, please let me go to some other class, right? Or this dance class is not good for me. I'll look for any other teacher to teach me, right? So same thing, because we are all humans. We all want the instant results, right? Just at that moment, a spider dropped. The spider that you saw in the picture was not just for showing it to us. It had a meaning in it. Just at the moment, a spider dropped with its silken, filmy clue. Silken means a thin, right? Which means a very delicate one, right? Filmy again means a delicate rope or thread, we can say, clue. And the king, in the midst of his thinking, stopped to see what the spider would do. Now, while we are thinking and we see an instance or any incident happening in front of us, the thoughts just flashes away, right? Now we have something else to observe and see. While you are driving or while you are doing anything, we are all focused and constant. And instantly, if we see on the other side of the road, some accident has happened, what do? We stop then and there and look what has happened, why has it happened. So the same thing happens with the king, right? He is also looking for that. How did this spider come down? And what is he about to? It was a long, again the word is nothing but it was. It is just the way of writing in the poems. It was a long way up to ceiling dome, and it hung by a rope so fine that how it would get to its cobweb home, King Bruce could not divine, right? It was a long way. The king looked up and saw that it was a long way. It was the ceiling was too high, and dome is the rounded shape of the wall, right? So he said that how did this spider come from